Okay, so we're going to be going over an OST question that we'll do together, and then you'll be ready to solve the one that you're given on your own. The question is, the school has a tennis club, a debate club, and a robotics club. The ratio of the number of students in these clubs is given. And then it tells us the tennis club to robotics club is 8 to 14, and the debate club to the tennis club is 6 to 24. There's 126 students in the robotics club. No students are in more than one club. How many students are in the debate club? So there's a lot of information in this problem. So first we're going to break it down a little bit. First, we know we have 3 clubs. We have our tennis club, we have our debate club. Oops, didn't mean to cross it off there. Let's underline it. There we go. And we have our robotics club. Now, it tells us some information about those 3 clubs down here. We've got our tennis club. Here, I'm going to make some ratios here. We have our tennis club to robotics club is 8 to 14. So tennis would be 8 and robotics would be 14. And we have our debate club to tennis club is 6 to 24. So debate club would be 6 and the tennis club would be 24. Now we're going to use this information to figure out exactly, also we know that we have 126 students total. We're going to use this information to figure out exactly how many students are in the debate club. So I have it set up over here with the information we have. To solve this problem, we're going to use equivalent ratios. So I'm going to take what we've already written down, and this is the same thing I had written on the other slide. I'm going to put it equal to another ratio. And we're going to need both of these ratios to solve the problem because it tells us that the robotics club has 126. Well, the robotics club is only in one ratio, and we are looking for the debate club as our answer. So that's going to be a big star there. That's the one we need. So we're looking for right here is going to be our answer. But we don't have any information about tennis yet, so we're going to use the first ratio to get to this last ratio. Now, let's go ahead and fill in what we know. So we know the robotics is 126 students altogether. So we're going to fill that in over here. If robotics is on the bottom, it stays on the bottom, and that's 126. To get from 14 to 126, I know I'm going to have to multiply, but that's not one that we regularly have memorized. To figure out what we multiply by, we're going to divide. So in my calculator, I'm going to put 126 divided by 14, and it says that's 9. So I must be multiplying by 9 to get to 126. Whatever I do to the bottom, I need to do to the top. So times 9, and we know 8 times 9 is 72. So now that I know my number for tennis, I'm going to go ahead and make that red. I'm going to put that right on down here. There we go. Because tennis is on the bottom here. If tennis is on the bottom, it stays on the bottom. So now I know that there are 70, oops, I put a 6 where I should put a 2. There we go. So now that I know that there are 72 students in tennis, I can figure out how many students are in debate. So, again, we have to figure out how we get from one side to the other. And to get from 24 to 72, another one that's not off the top of your head that you know. So you do the opposite. We figure out how many 24s fit in 72. And we take 72, divide it by 24, and we get 3. So we must multiply by 3 to get to 72. Whatever you do to the bottom, you need to do to the top. And you know that 6 times 3 is going to give you 18. And there's your answer. So there must be 18 students in the debate club. And there you go. So now I want you to make sure you have this information down, and I want you to use it to solve the problem that's on your worksheet.